Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Stern, Stern Chiropractic, helping you and your kids maximize your health, performance, and quality of life naturally. Well, we're coming close to the end of the year and the weather's getting a little cold, so it's chili time. That's right, vegan chili. With this chili, you need a crock pot, slow cooker. I use dried beans, black beans, red kidney beans, and pinto beans. I rinse them and then soak them overnight. Vegetable broth, zucchini, squash, jalapeno, onion, garlic, potato, carrot, celery, and then we have corn, diced tomatoes. I use diced tomatoes with green hatch chilies, tomato paste, ground coriander, cumin, chili powder, crushed red pepper, and turmeric. And so I'm going to get it all prepped up and then we'll get started. All right. Well, I'm back and it's all prepped up. Now, I did forget to mention that the recipe also includes hot sauce and Tabasco. And also, I always use my very favorite kitchen tool, the mandolin, when I'm prepping the vegetables. Really makes life easy. So with everything ready, all you do is put everything in the hot pot, set it for 6 to 8 hours on low, and come back when it's ready. Well, 8 hours has passed, and this chili is ready to go. Now it's piping hot, so I'm gonna scoop out a little bit and let it sit. Like always, a link for a downloadable recipe for this chili will be below this video, as well as a link to my newsletter archive at www.sternchiro.com. Not only can you find a whole lot more plant-based recipes, but 25 years of health and wellness newsletters for you and your family. Please share these videos, share these newsletters with your family, your friends, your loved ones, your coworkers. Try out the recipes. I think you'll love them. I hope you have a wonderful month. I look forward to seeing you next month. Peace.